Okay, finally. We are here. We subscribed, we updated our profile, and what are the eligible domains that are allowed to run our bot? We uploaded our knowledge. We designed our bot looks and mindset to answer questions appropriately. Now let us put it in our website. Let's go. Go to the deployment screen first. We see here all the domains that we have provided that are eligible to run our bot that was in the profile screen. Let's also fix it by removing this extra comma. These are the domains. So if you go again to deployment screen, we see these domains we can test the bot on. Let's test it on flowbytes.com. To open a chat, click this button. Now don't mix between these two chat buttons. This is the one we are testing, but the bottom one is the actual chat button found on the website. So let's open this. It's David, if you remember. Hello, how can you assist me? See what David's gonna say. Oh, Rita, is this because we did not change the name? So let's exit the test screen and go to the design screen. Go to the behavior tab and then go to the behavior. And yes, it is still Rita and female type. Let's change it and save. Now this is good. Go to deployment testing again. Go here to David Green button and ask him. Hello, how can you assist me? And the answer is, hello, I'm David. Good, so this is how you see it in your domains. You can use this test if and only if your website can be embedded in an iframe. After this, you have the script ready to be embedded in your homepage. This is your copy of the script. Here, all you have to do now is copy this using this button and paste it here in your website homepage, index.html or the likes of it. It was my pleasure walking you through how you can deploy your AI assistant in your website. Please follow our YouTube channel for any new features in the system. All the best and happy hack with BotKnife.com.